discipline is a powerful tool for personal growth. Discipline is the key to unlocking my full potential. I'm committed to practicing discipline in all areas of my life. With discipline, I can achieve anything that I set my mind to. Discipline is the foundation of my success. I am a disciplined and determined individual. Discipline allows me to stay on track and reach my goals. I am in complete control of my actions and of my choices through discipline. I welcome discipline into my life. My discipline empowers me to overcome any obstacle. I am a master of self-discipline. Through discipline, I create the life that I desire. Discipline is my superpower. I harness the power of discipline to achieve my dreams. I have discipline, focus, and I am unstoppable. Every day I strengthen my discipline muscle. Discipline is the bridge between my goals and my accomplishments. My discipline fuels my determination. I embrace the rewards of discipline. I am a champion of self-discipline. Discipline is my compass. It guides me towards success. I am a disciplined and resilient individual. I consistently practice self-discipline.